In 2024, I made $300,000 without stepping foot in an office. No boss, no commute, no asking permissions, no deadline. And you can do this too. 3 years ago, when I was where many of you probably are right now, hustling in a 9 to 5 job, juggling responsibilities, family, bills, deadlines, and whatnot. Until one day I realized that a 9 to 5 job is never gonna give me the financial independence that I was looking for. I mean, you're working 7 hours a day just to make enough to survive. And I had to save and wait for months to buy anything I desired. I mean, what's even the point of doing this the rest of my 30 years of life? And I knew I had to do something. And just like everyone, I started Googling how to make money online. Ways to make money online. Until one day, I figured out about these 3 things which changed my life. Master Resale Rights, affiliate marketing, and digital product. Today, I've built a community called the Passive Profit Club, helped hundreds of people start their own online businesses, have over 330,000 Instagram followers, and generated over multiple 6 figures in total revenue. But let me tell you exactly how I went from Googling make money online to actually making it happen. So back in March 2023, I came across affiliate marketing for the first time. I had zero clue what it even was. I ended up buying a course just to figure it out. And then it made sense. Basically, if someone uses your link, they get a discount and you get paid. That's it. By July 2023, I thought, okay, let's actually try this. And I started my affiliate business. At the beginning, I wasn't making my own products or anything fancy. I was just promoting other people's stuff. But I wasn't about to push random crap just to make a quick buck. I only promoted things that actually solved real problems for people. And to my surprise, after about 5 months, I was averaging around $8,000 to $10,000 every single month. That's when it hit me. Why am I still at my job? I remember thinking, okay, there's no guarantee next month will be the same, but if I don't take this leap now, I will always wonder. So yeah, that's when I quit. Scary as hell, but also the best decision I ever made. Then came across this business model called Master Resale Rights or MRR. And honestly, at first I didn't really get it. But once I did, it blew my mind. Like instead of just earning a little commission here and there, you actually get to keep 100% of the profit on every sale? No splitting, no waiting for payout structures, nothing. It's your money straight up. So I thought, why not? I mixed MRR with what I already was doing in the affiliate marketing space, and suddenly the numbers skyrocketed. I went from those 8 to 10K months to hitting close to $40,000 in a month. And I remember literally sitting there staring at my Stripe dashboard thinking, wait, is this even real? Did I just make more in 1 month than I used to make in an entire year at my job? It was such a pinch me moment. But the thing is, once you reach that point, your mindset shifts. It's not just about how much can I make anymore. It becomes what can I build? Who else can I help? And that's when everything started evolving for me. I decided to create my own course. And when it picked up, it gave me so much confidence. People were learning from me, getting results, and I felt this responsibility to show up even bigger. So in August 2024, I finally launched my own community. And honestly, that was the turning point. Because now, it wasn't just about selling a product. It was about creating a space where people like me who started with zero clue could come together, learn the same skills, and actually change their lives. And the best part, watching others win. Seeing someone go from confused to making their first $100 online or their first $1,000 a month, it's addictive. That's the real impact. That's the part that keeps me going way more than the money ever could. This all sounds very easy, but I'll be honest. There was a lot of ups and downs. There were moments when sales went down. In the start, there was doubt. Okay, I have to sell it, but how do I do it? How do I create content? And then there was always this thing of showing my face on social media. Looking back now, I realize all those struggles were part of the process. Every doubt, every failed post, every month with lower sales, they were all teaching me something. They were building the person I needed to become to sustain this level of success. And if there's one thing I would go back and tell my younger self or anyone who has stayed till here, work really hard, dream really big, and through that hard work, it actually happens. I've done it and I've seen it with my own eyes. See you on the top.